Hi there everyone! Today we are making a microwave mac sugar cookie. It's one of the best festive treats to satisfy your sugar cookie craving in just a few minutes. In a small microwave-safe bowl, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and melt in the microwave. Next, add 4 tablespoons of white granulated sugar and whisk lightly. Then add 2 egg yolks and whisk until well combined. Add 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything well until smooth. Finally, fold in 1 tablespoon or more to taste of sprinkles and give it another stir. Divide the cookie dough evenly between 2 mugs and top with a few extra sprinkles. Place the mugs in the microwave and cook on high for about 2 minutes. Carefully remove the mugs from the microwave and let stand until they are cool enough to eat. And that's it! Your quick and easy cookies are ready to enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.